I'll see if Fiona can make it to a few leaps on this course actually. Oh, what? She got in! She got in the loop and oh, look at that! Alright, here we are, first hole. Sorry about the wind. I really hope it doesn't come out and affect the mics. Oh, she still hasn't aced it. Been practicing this hole and she aced it once.
Oh!
I think the wind's wreaked havoc with your ball.
Yes.
Right, so I'm going for an ace here. Come on, turn back around, come back around. No. Well, at least I got a 2.
Yes.
Oh, what?
See the wind.
I really thought I had that. That's a 2. That's a 3. That's +1. So we've driven quite some ways to get here today. It was a bit of a trek to get in. So I'm hoping that this video actually turns out nice for you guys. You got for 3 like me?
I didn't move there. Oh, what? See the wind.
Yeah,
Pick
I know, the wind's wreaking havoc on the ball.
The wind is terrible here. But it is a nice course.
Oh, the course is beautiful. It's challenging with the wind though. What was that? That's 4 and that's 5 if you get it in. That's a 5. I feel your pain, I've done it before.
Yeah, the wind's terrible with the ball. It's picking the ball up.
Here we are, hole 3, goes up a slope. Oh, she's hit the pin! She's hit the pin!
Roll, roll, roll. Oh, it started rolling back then.
Good effort. There you go. 2. Here we go, hole 3. Oh no!
Where were you going?
I don't know, but it definitely wasn't going up the hill.
Oh.
Alright, so shot 2. I can't know! Really? That's right.
Where are you going down there? You want to give up yet?
No. It's a shot 4. Stay up there.
You're not giving it any.
Oh yes. Shot 5. I got 1 more and I'm out. I got
Yes.
1 more shot. Whether you can see Fiona's face right now, she's having a ball watching me fail. Ugh. No wind. Get in the hole.
Bye-bye.
I give up. That's 6. I'm out.
Any words on that, Ryan?
I'm going to pretend that hole didn't happen. Next hole.
Can you do any better on this hole?
I'm maybe not going to do better than this hole. Ah, really? Almost went in the hole. Burnt the edge.
I know, I've seen that.
Shout out to Alan. Every single hole here is probably aceable, as you can see. Nice and straightforward. Got a 2.
I would definitely come back here to play again.
Yeah, especially when it's not as windy. It's not as windy.
Yeah, when it's not windy.
Yeah. Oh, you almost aced it like me.
But I suppose that's what you do when you're near the water.
Can she make a 2?
No.
Oh no! She burnt it! I love the atmosphere here, like it's like you're on a beach sort of thing. It's like pretty cool. And this is hole 5. Goes around and comes back towards the hole. Let's see if Fiona can ace this, hey? Obviously not.
That's something to what I
That's
wanted to do.
two's still a good score though.
Yes.
She did. She got a 2. She's beating me, that's for sure. Putting me to shame, aren't ya?
Yes. See what you can do here.
I did the exact same thing that you did, pretty much.
Yes.
Oh, get out of it. No, come back. Come on, be nice. I'm on whatever score right now, but I know Fiona's beating me.
Not by much.
I mean a bloody 5 over there. I mean a 6. Bit of a drive. got a
Here
bit of
we
a
are,
drive
hole
back.
6.
Bit of a drive back. It's been a long day. Come back down. Come back down. In the hole. In the hole. Well, at least I get a 2.
Yes, that's good.
That's a 2. Here we are on hole 6. Can Fiona make the ace? Yeah, I'm pretty sure she got it. I went about it all wrong. Oh, okay then.
2.
2. 2s are good. Alright, this is hole 7. There you go. It's literally like a U. It goes around. What are your plans on this hole, Fiona?
I don't know. I haven't.
Really sorry about that been day. So I didn't mean to cut you off there.
You always cut me off.
Yes, I know. You cut me off too.
Okay, that's.
Oh,
not
she's
what
landed in the gap.
I wanted to do up towards there, but not up to the gap.
Yes. Oh, that would have been a great 2 if that went in. Oh, wait. Oh. Hey.
A
That's
2.
a good 2. Fantastic. Nice go. Lights, camera, action. Come on, baby, get in the hole. He's aced it. Yes. Yes. Boom.
Look at it though. The flat. Yeah.
Nice. Off the rock. Off the rock. I aced it off the rock. Nice. Yeah. Two in a row. Yeah. On a roll with the aces, 2 in a row.
Yes, I know, show.
Don't know about 3 though.
I know, show off.
My record's 5 aces. Oh, what? Haven't you got one?
You can do, I can do.
Yeah, I noticed. Good ace.
I know.
Yeah, very sorry about the wind. I'm really hoping that it's not affecting the video too much.
That's affecting our balls.
Yeah, it's definitely affecting the ball. That's not too bad.
Two.
2. Oh, I'm going to try something off the rock here. Off the paver. Come back around. Come back around. No. What do I use a mulligan? Then I might ace it.
No.
Yeah, well. 2.
Two.
2's are good. 2's up. So hole 10 has a bit of a, I don't know, volcano, you want to call it. Hopefully I can ace it. Come back around. No. Give me a 2, please. Give me a 2. Oh no. No.
What are you doing there?
Well, I was hoping for the 2. And I'm pretty sure I've just given back both my holding ones.
Yes. I think so. That's good.
In the hole.
I hope you're liking this video.
Let's see if you can make an ace. That'd be great if you can.
Nope.
No.
I
Yeah, it's not easy, eh? It's pretty hard.
I didn't get it up there.
What are you doing there? Well, is that the only option that you had or what?
Yeah. Of course, you leave my shots alone. See,
You're up.
At least I'm up.
And in the hole. Do you want to talk about it?
I did better than you.
Yeah, you did actually. Right, here we are, hole 11. Goes up, goes down, and comes back around towards the hole. So Fiona, what do you reckon that you got planned for this hole?
Up and around and around.
Beautiful ace.
I said up and around and around.
Beautiful ace. Make the ace. Come on, baby. No. I wonder if I should take a mulligan. Nah, I'm going to save my mulligan. That is the gem, Alan. This is great. You can pretty much ace all the holes. It's fun. I don't tell you.
Here we are, hole 12.
Ah, well.
That's not a bad shot.
No, that's not bad at all. That's a 3, though.
A 3, yes.
See if you can get it. Oh,
I didn't
no,
get it
she didn't
up.
give it enough.
Oh, and again.
You want to take a mulligan yet?
Yeah.
Oh, she's taking a mulligan, so she's back to shot 1.
I have to.
You got the right line and
That's
everything. Like it
better.
wouldn't surprise me if it went in the hole.
That's better. Oh,
Well, I don't think that's what you had in mind, Fiona.
oh, wasn't.
You took your mulligan. That was not a very well used mulligan, I gotta say.
No. There.
It's in the hole though.
Fine.
Alright, here we go. Lucky 13, got to go across the little jump there. Off the slats off the back into the hole. So let's see if we can ace. That's definitely not it.
No, but I'm happy with that. I'm across, aren't I?
Yes.
Yep.
What happened there? Alright, that was not even in the park postcode.
Well, I don't know what the postcode.
Well, postcode should be getting it into the hole, not missing the hole.
The postcode is
So, hole 13 has claimed another victim. Let's see how I go.
the postcode.
Be luck on the hole 13, people.
The postcode who interrupts me getting it into the hole. That's my postcode.
Alright then. Make that a shirt.
Okay.
Come on, baby. In. Come on.
Nah, it stopped.
Come on. Ah. Do you want to give me that? That's an ace.
No, that's not an ace because you didn't get it in the hole. You got a 2 though, I'll give you that.
Yeah, but I was so close to the ace. But hole 14 here has a, I don't know, what do you want to call that? A bit of a mound
volcano
here.
hole.
Gosh, it's windy. There's a
Nice 2.
2. Let's see if Fiona can make an ace. Made a couple. More than a couple, actually. Too much.
Thank you.
You hear that too much?
Ah, I didn't give it any.
No, you didn't give it enough.
Really? I don't like volcano holes because they volcano.
Come on, the ace queen is stumbling.
They volcano my ball everywhere.
Stop. You're up.
Yeah, the volcano holes volcano my ball everywhere.
The volcano holes are never anybody's friend.
They should be my friend. My friend to the end. I'm happy.
You landed
with
in the
that.
rough.
I'm happy with that. In the hole for a 2.
Yep, in the hole for a 2. Come on, baby, be nice. That's not being.
Nearly the same as where I landed.
Now you landed in the rough. And you got it in the hole, whereas I didn't. Have you got me in full shot? Am I in full?
No, you shrunk like me.
That's a 3. That's a 3. Here we are, hole 16. Let's see how we go. Stop. No. Ah, get out of it. Come on, 2. Come on, 2. Come back down. And back down again. Nah. That's a 3.
3's are good though.
Yes. Can she make the ace? Has she got up and over? No, she's snuggled in the corner there.
2. No,
You celebrated too early saying toot.
I know. I thought the ball would listen to me like it does to you.
No. It's only this is you on occasion, really. That's a 3. Here you are, 17. Good to see that wind's died down a little bit as well.
Just a little bit, not much.
Spoke too soon. Remember the hole at Milpara? It's pretty much similar to that.
Yeah. Oh. Told you the volcano keeps the volcano in my ball. Doesn't want my ball to go in the hole.
Gosh, it's getting windy. I spoke way too soon now. Oh, it's soft, isn't it? Look at that. It's right on the edge.
Yeah, in the hole, finally.
No. Mulligan.
You just did the same as I did.
Mulligan. Let's see if it's mulligan well used. Did you get a 2 or an ace? Ah! That was not well used. Damn it, get up there. Mulligan again. Really?
This hole does not like us. This volcano hole.
Oh, what?
I seen that. I'll give that to you.
That just... No.
Yes, I'll give that to you.
Oh, what? That's burning the edge right there.
Yes, it is.
Oh, come on. I don't have any mulligan either.
No.
I'm in the hole though.
Yes. Any words?
I love this course, even though it was a bit of a trek to get here. Yeah, a couple of aces. Actually, I think we got 2 apiece, I think 3. Can't remember, I have to go back to the video. If you like the video, make sure you give it a like. And subscribe if you want to get all our new videos. Get that bell on. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. And new video every Saturday. 8 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time on a Saturday. Stay tuned for premieres. Well, let's see if Fiona can ace this.
No, hit the
Hit the rock.
the rock moved.
Nope.
Doesn't matter. That's three is good.
Hold up.
A 3 is good.
What do you got to say?
I'd like to thank the sports club for letting us play here. Definitely like the course. Hope to come back soon. Thank you for watching.